Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add chart to your document on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Open a document and go to the elements option under the templates button at the left side of the screen, and here you can find the charts option, and just select one, and in the bar chart option you can edit the data and just write another information. And you can edit your size of the chart, and you can move that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.